Okay friends, welcome to another video. You know these stoves from the previous video? I fill it with pellets. Now I try the other way. Show you this. Yes, these are the stoves with the flying bottom. My thinking was change the air ratio between primary and secondary air 1/4 or 4/1. I hope the flames in 1/4 ratio are in the stove good for cooking, and I hope in this stove 4/1 flames comes a little bit higher for watching the flames like a campfire or so. My first try was with wood pellets, don't works, stinking, smoking. This was not good. Okay, let's fill in wood sticks. I've prepared this, installing the bottom 1/4. Sorry. That's it. The wood sticks come upright in the stove. You can use these split wood or the tricks. Important is standing upright. The upright standing wood sticks, sorry, are not tightened. The air comes up between the sticks. Okay, I should install the bottom and once again it's nearly the same quantity of wood sticks in the stoves. This one, the length of wood sticks is this. Be sure never fill up over the secondary air. Okay, that's it. On top, to the tricks for easier fire starting. Add some fire starter. And it's nearly 10. 2 minutes past 10. It's great, birch bark. Okay, now we have to wait for the gasifying effect. By using wood pellets, the time was about 10 or 15 minutes. Let's have a look in woodstick mode. 10 minutes later, gasifying is on. Exactly the same height of the flames. What's the matter? I hope you can see little bit different colors of the flames. This stove with more primary air, the flames are more blue and more gassy. And in this stove with more secondary air, the flames a little bit yellower. Doesn't matter 1x4 or 4x1. Let's make the test with the pan. Don't clean this. Okay, this is good for cooking. Little bit smoke. And this stove with more primary than secondary air. Hope this is the difference. The pan reduces the updraft, and the stove is a stinky stove. Okay, I know this. For cooking, nearly 1x4, one piece secondary, one piece primary air intake and 4 pieces secondary air. With higher pot stand, you know this. This is smoking. Wow. And this is also good for cooking, but there's no smoke. Okay, I improve this. I think I can enlarge the holes for the pellets, and for wood sticks this is good enough. Okay, take your time. I take my time. I should improve this. Hope you like this video. Hope you like my channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. And in the next video, I think I can make a contest directly with pellets or wood sticks in 1x4 or 4x1. We will see what happens. Have a nice time.